Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead with 2 players. First, ensure you have a second controller connected to your gaming system, whether it's a console or a PC. Once connected, launch the Cuphead game application. The game should automatically detect the second controller, preparing for co-op play. Make sure both controllers are fully charged and functioning correctly before you begin your adventure. This simple setup gets you ready for some challenging fun. After launching the game, Player 1 should navigate to either New Game or continue from the main menu. Once Player 1 is in the overworld map, Player 2 can join at any time. Simply press any button on the second controller. You'll see a second character, Mugman, appear alongside Cuphead. This seamless integration allows for quick drop-in, drop-out co-op, making it easy to team up with a friend whenever you're ready for action. Playing Cuphead in co-op requires teamwork and communication. Talk to your partner about enemy patterns and who will focus on which targets. Experiment with different charm and weapon combinations to find what works best for your duo. A crucial co-op mechanic is reviving your teammate. If a player is defeated, their ghost will float upwards. Parry it to bring them back into the fight, giving you a second chance to conquer tough bosses. For advanced co-op play, mastering parrying is key. Each successful parry not only helps you avoid damage, but also builds your EX meter faster, allowing for more super attacks. Coordinate your super attacks with your partner for maximum impact on bosses. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to retry levels. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals to enhance your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.